Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing Pepe, what is happening with Pepe right now as of November the 2nd, and where are the prices going as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Of course, if we're looking at the markets right now, the morning was looking quite great, but we're seeing a little bit of a retracement within the markets. What exactly is going on? Because Bitcoin is still hanging around 34,600 mark. So what exactly has caused such a massive red bloodbath that's happening right now? Let's not forget, everyone's going to be focusing on the shorter time frames right now, but let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Boom, we're back in green. So why is this the case? Remember, profit taking is going to happen. And whenever I'm reminding people to consider locking in profits, it never hurts to lock in profits. And people just troll me at that point saying, oh, why are you telling us to lock in profits? The bull market isn't even back. But now, the days like this, people are panicking, wishing they were locking some profits in just a few hours ago. And this is a learning lesson for everyone, right? So you snooze, you lose. But anyone that has locked in profits along the way, give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve these gains. But now let's take a look at the price of Pepe, see what is happening and what is yet to come in these upcoming days ahead of us. So if we're looking at the price, still about 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 106, down about 11.6% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 9% in Bitcoin and ETH comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap of $446.3 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting above 100 million. To be exact, $128.3 million. So not bad, in terms of the overall growth of Pepe. Pepe has seen a massive recovery over the past, 2 to 2.5 weeks, which is great. And of course, the market momentum has carried Pepe towards the upside. But what exactly is next? As far as their team goes, the team has been quite active. They did make a tweet yesterday, so that is great, and you can see this for yourself. The engagement is insane. They have a huge community, a huge amount of people that are interested in the project, and of course the amount of engagement they're getting is no secret. And as far as the holders are concerned, we're still in an upwards trajectory. A minor retracement, a few holders just decrease over the past 24 hours, of course, after the dip, but overall things are looking quite great as far as the bigger picture is concerned for Pepe. But let's take a look at the price. But before we get into the price, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So while we wait for the chart to load, let's take a look at BTC. And wow, look at this. Bitcoin chart is also lagging, but never mind, we're back here. So what you can really see happening right now is that Bitcoin did make its way back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And let me show you guys the significance of this zone. This 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, last time the price of Bitcoin was actually there was back in May of last year. So this was quite historic. We hit a new yearly high for BTC, something we've been projecting. But what happened was we saw a clear rejection. So Bitcoin has gone down back to this $34,600 mark. And we're seeing a lot of bloodbath within the altcoins. And of course, now why is the entire cryptocurrency market, especially the altcoins, down quite a bit in the red? Look at the dominance. The dominance is still quite high. And I've said this from the beginning. A lot of people don't focus on the Bitcoin dominance. A lot of people ignore the Bitcoin dominance. But this is the time. Times like these are the ones where you really, understand the importance of this index. You really see the correlation that it has. And right now, we are seeing the dominance picking up. We could even see a yearly high for the Bitcoin dominance, but Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor cool off, which has caused altcoins to really go down against BTC. And that is no secret at this point. This is something that always happens. Remember though, we have seen a great month. You can see this for yourself. Pepe up 46.1%. We're seeing a lot of coins up quite a bit. So let's not forget that we are having great gains that are being made, and this should be a learning lesson for each and every one of you guys, especially the people that get really ticked off when I say, lock those profits in. But, times like today, just in the last few hours, we're seeing quite a bit, pullback within the altcoins. And, people don't like seeing that. If you don't want to be on that side, and if you do see, your portfolio double, guess what? Lock that in. Lock those profits in, because dips will occur. And I mentioned in my previous update, Pepe is kickstarting this meme coin season. If you're not really paying attention to the meme coin season, you might want to, look into meme coins to really see what I'm talking about. But of course, everyone that, does look into the meme coin market can, understand what I'm saying. Meme coins are heating up, a lot of interest coming in. And in a way, meme coins are its own market. I see meme coins as its own market. Of course, way riskier. I think meme coins are extremely risky. Of course, the gains can be made there, but I always show you guys, that there is very high chances of you losing your entire money in the meme coin market. So it's really important to have an strategy. And the best strategy, in my opinion, that has worked out for me and me personally, I'm not sure if that's going to work out for you, and this is not financial advice, but I've always said, let's say you want to diversify your portfolio. Let's say you have a bunch of other altcoins, but you want to diversify into meme coins, and you want to put, let's say, 10% of your allocation or 3% of your allocation. Let's say that 3% allocation in USD dollars is $100. So what the best thing, in my opinion, is pick more than one meme coin and diversify into those. And that way around, your risk gets lower. So these are some factors that we need to keep in mind. But as far as Pepe price is concerned, we're seeing, of course, a little bit of a cool off happening. So from the October high, you can see this for yourself. We have retraced about 21.8%. Still okay, in my opinion. We do have support around here. We're literally holding to some, insane level of support onto dear life. And if this support were to be lost, we could be making our way down to this 89.01 zone. So those could be some targets that we could be seeing for Pepe coming in if BTC does see a little bit of more cool off happening, especially going below this level of support at 33.4. If that were to happen, we could see a little bit of cool off happening in Pepe. But the overall bigger picture, really gets me excited. I think Pepe has everything for itself. The team is back. There's a new team. They are engaging with their community, because at the end of the day, engagement is everything when it comes to meme coins. So continue doing that, and of course keeping these massive burns coming. That really shows that this team is really serious. And of course, Bitcoin could see a little bit of a cool off. Let's not forget, people want to see these instant gains overnight, but let me tell you, that's not going to happen. Okay, if this is your first time coming into the markets and you are mentally prepared to be sitting at some massive life-changing gains overnight or in the next week, let me tell you, this is not it. This is definitely not it. You need to rethink everything. And if some other person has told you, crypto is going to change your life overnight and you're going to be a millionaire in the next week or so, absolutely not. It's going to be baby steps, and it's not promised for everyone. And what I mean, it's not promised for everyone. It depends on how you think and how your emotions are. You can't let emotions get the best of you. If you do, let me tell you, it will affect your gains in the market. And learn that from me. No one is going to tell you. I'm quite transparent. I've been in the markets for about 8 years, and trust me, there are times where you make these mistakes and you let emotions get to you, and that's the worst thing possible. So in the meantime, what you guys want to be doing is, prepare yourself to lock some profits in while you can, and of course make an exit strategy. But overall, things are looking quite great. Let me know down below what you guys think, and yeah, keep supporting me, and I will continue making these updates for you guys. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow up in crypto. ZX, and peace out.